It's a new hive we're trying out this year, fall of 2024, from queens I raised and the leftover nukes in the fall. It's a split 10 frame box, which is two 5-frame nukes. Most often these are double stacked by other folks. I call this the runway hive, and you notice the blue side is showing very little activity.
Okay, so let me look for the queen here real quick. I don't see her. Now. Okay, what do we got? We got, I don't know, 2-3 frames maybe. Let's see here. Looking for a queen. Looking for some brood. Looking for food. It's the first year we did this. 5-frame nukes. A lot of people do it, and they double stack them. They put another nuke on top, and we didn't do that. So it'll be interesting how they look, how much honey they got. Brood here, bees hatching. Okay, this is drone brood. Okay, that ain't good. There's drones in this hive. There are drones in this hive. Right now, drones.
Or laying worker.
Yeah, it's a laying worker or infertile queen, one or the other. Whatever it is, it ain't good. I mean, there's no reason to be drones in this hive right now this early. They're actually drones running around.
So.
Yeah, but it ain't gonna make.
Yeah.
I didn't look. Okay, so interesting thing though is we're gonna try to raise queens, and these drones are fertile drones. So this hive is already screwed. So I think we're just gonna let it go, let it make drones, and we'll have some drones to breed back against. I mean, we're gonna have drones early this year. Now, did the queen die because we're in the single 5-frame nuke? I don't think so. I just think she died.
Leave in the comments what you think happened to this queen.
Okay, so some things about it is there's food in here. There's plenty of food, which is good. That tells us that, at least in this hive, that they can survive with the amount of food that they have in the single frame or in a 5-frame nuke. Yeah, it looks good. Plenty of food.
Although the hive survived the winter, the queen did not, and I would not consider this a winter survival. What do you think?
There's going to be drones here, but at a certain point, all these workers are going to die. So we would have to drop a frame of brood in here at some point if we wanted to keep these drones going. So I don't know. It doesn't matter right now. Makes no difference.
Let me know in the comments what you think we should do with this nuke.
So this is one of our swarm frames. This actually may be a swarm queen. Starter strip on the top and the bottom. Okay, I don't see any drones in here. Good sign. Not as much food either. So it might be a little, we'll see. Not a lot of food. Yeah, this is the swarm hive. No brood, no queen. Queen, green dot queen right there. See her crawling around? She looks nice. Nice, big and fat. Swelled up abdomen. She's got some brood.
Better zoom in. Okay, thank you.
Let's look on the other side. Some brood there. Okay, not a lot of food here. I think we're going to drop a whole frame of honey in these guys. Just because we got it. And this is empty. So we're taking this. This is the easy take. There, frame of honey. That's the queen. I was trying to see if we want to take anything else out and give them another frame, you know what I mean? There's more on this one. I'll get one more. Okay. I need to do a better job. Okay, there's honey here in this frame. I think. Some honey. Find your home. Find your way home, girls. Some brood. So there's a little bit of brood. Not very many bees. I mean, what, 1-2 frame of bees? Here you go. So a little bit of honey on here, a little bit of nectar. They're pretty much eating everything. Stacking it back. Not great for the queen. Not very many bees. Oh, look here, green dot queen.
That's bee bread located in the middle of the frame.
Okay, I really don't want to squish her. She's not laying though.
Not yet.
I'm gonna just put her down. Easy. You know what I mean? I was worried I would smash her between. I think I'm gonna give her a full frame of honey because there's not a lot here.
This hive may have been able to survive without the additional frame of honey, but why chance it?
Okay. There's honey here. Like more bees here too.
Yeah.
Super glued. Okay. There's a lot of food here. They won't need food. Okay. More food here. They're bringing it back though. That's good. Right here, green dot queen. She is. Hopefully she's laying. We'll definitely add pollen. No eggs, no nothing. No, nothing. I mean, these are smaller hives.
With fewer bees, then I think it takes longer for them to get going.